In today's video, we'll explore the energies that 2025 has in store for us from a numerological perspective. If you're already beginning to sense some changes in the air, know that it's no coincidence. We are approaching a new cycle, and the numerological influences of 2025 are already starting to manifest. Let's understand what the number 9, which will govern the next year, can teach us and how we can prepare to make the most of this energy. 2025 will be a year governed by the number 9, which in numerology is considered the number of the wise, the elder, the one who has attained wisdom throughout the journey. The 9 is the last of the single-digit numbers and therefore represents the end of a cycle, a moment of conclusion and reflection. It carries the energy of closure, of finishing processes, and invites all of us to review our lives and complete what needs to be finalized. But 9 is more than just the number of completion. It is a number deeply connected to the idea of altruism, compassion, and generosity. In 2025, we will be called to practice these virtues more intensely, not just in grand gestures, but also in the small actions of everyday life, in the words we choose, in the thoughts we nurture, and in the attitudes we take towards others. It is interesting to note that numerological cycles don't always begin exactly on January 1st. Often, the energies of a new year start manifesting a few months earlier. In 2024, we are already feeling the first winds of what 2025 holds for us. Just like in nature, where one wave is ending while another begins to form, our personal and collective cycles follow this same logic. This means that even though we are still in 2024, it is already time to start tuning in to the vibrations of the number 9 that will govern the next year. The number 9 is known for its connection to the wisdom accumulated over time. It invites us to return to our roots, to revisit our past with the eyes of someone who has learned much and is ready to share that knowledge. In 2025, we will be called to act with altruism on all levels, in our thoughts, words, and actions. It is a year to be generous, not just materially, but also emotionally and spiritually. Altruism in 2025 goes beyond giving something tangible. It manifests when we choose to have good thoughts towards others, when we speak words of support and encouragement, and when we act in ways that benefit not just ourselves, but the whole community. It is a year to share knowledge, to teach what we have learned, and to plant seeds that can blossom in future cycles. Furthermore, 2025 invites us to cultivate serenity. Even in the face of life's ups and downs, it is important to maintain calm and inner stability. The number 9, being the last number before a new cycle, encourages us to finish everything that needs to be completed. This includes letting go of habits and behaviors that no longer serve us, closing projects that don't lead us where we want to go, and making peace with the past. Like every year, 2025 will also bring its challenges. The number 9, with all its energy of finalization and detachment, can bring up feelings of instability. This may manifest as a tendency towards dispersion or lack of focus. We need to be careful not to fall into traps like procrastination or melancholy, which can prevent us from fully seizing the opportunities the year offers. Another aspect to keep in mind is the importance of balancing altruism with self-care. In a year so focused on serving others, it can be easy to forget to take care of ourselves. Remember that to help others effectively, we need to be in good physical, mental, and emotional condition. Therefore, it is essential to find a balance between giving and receiving, between helping others and taking care of our own needs. Additionally, the number 9 teaches us the importance of learning to wait. In a year of closing cycles, not everything will happen in the time we desire. We need to trust the process, understand that everything has its right moment and that patience will be an essential virtue in 2025. Although the number 9 is strongly associated with the completion of cycles, 2025 also offers us an excellent opportunity to plant the seeds of the future. This is the ideal year to invest in new projects, courses, and learning. If you have a dream or goal that you haven't yet realized, 2025 is the year to start working on it, preparing the ground for the following years. The energy of 9 is also conducive to education and personal development. This is the time to enroll in courses, acquire new skills, and expand your knowledge. The wisdom gained throughout the year will be valuable for future cycles, and the seeds planted now have great potential to flourish in the coming years. Moreover, 2025 is a year to start projects that have a positive impact on society. If you have an idea that can benefit the community or contribute to collective well-being, this is the moment to put it into practice. Altruism and compassion, so present in the energy of the number 9, will be the driving forces behind these projects, ensuring they are successful and long-lasting. Now, let's bring Chinese astrology into our understanding of the upcoming year. In 2025, we will be under the influence of the wood snake. The snake is a symbol of wisdom, intuition, and transformation. It brings an introspective energy where the focus will be on careful planning and the pursuit of knowledge. The wood snake, in particular, combines the snake's shrewdness with the flexibility and growth of wood. This makes 2025 an ideal year for deep reflection and personal development. Wood, as an element, represents growth, expansion, and adaptability, suggesting that 2025 will be a year to grow intellectually and emotionally. Strengths of the year. The year of the wood snake will be marked by the ability to make strategic choices and decisions based on a deep understanding of situations. The energy of this year favors detailed analysis, patience, and wisdom. It's a period where introspection and meticulous planning will bring great rewards. Challenges of the year. However, this same energy can bring challenges. Excessive introspection can lead to indecision and paralysis by analysis. The snake has a tendency to be overly cautious, which can result in missed opportunities. Moreover, the snake's introspective nature can increase the risk of emotional and social isolation. What to do and expect in 2025? To navigate this year successfully, it is important to find a balance between reflection and action. Use the energy of the number 9 to finalize cycles and that of the wood snake to plan your next steps wisely. This is the time to invest in yourself, in your personal growth, and in your long-term projects. It is also crucial to be mindful of the temptation to isolate yourself. Connect with others, share your ideas, and be open to new perspectives. The energy of the wood snake favors the exchange of knowledge and collaboration, but requires you to take the initiative. This is a year to be strategic, patient, and wise in your choices. Take advantage of the energy of year 9 and the wood snake to plant the seeds of your future, with the confidence that, in time, these seeds will bloom. Conclusion. 2025 promises to be a year of profound transformations and great opportunities. With the numerology of 9 and the influence of the wood snake, we have the chance to close old cycles and prepare for new beginnings with wisdom and purpose. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content. A warm embrace, and see you in the next video.